Yes, good morning, students. Welcome to the lesson 8, that is plants. Yes, beta, look in this diagram. In this diagram, beta, you have to write down the parts of the plant which you have already studied in the 5th class, in 6th class, in 7th class. You can easily write down the part. First part, number 1, you can see here. First, where number 1 is written, you have to keep finger on number 1 part, that is green in color. That part of the plant is known as leaf. Then write down here leaf, and then you have to write down the function of the leaf. What are the functions of the leaf? Can you tell me? Yes, tell. Very good. Leaves make food for the plant. Very good. And then keep finger on the second, number 2 part. Yes, here it is shown red color juicy part of the plant is known as fruit. Yes, very good. Then write down its fruit, and then you have to write down the its function. In the fruit seed is there, and then it means seed helps in producing new plant. Very good. Then keep finger on the part 3. Then it has been shown in the diagram. Part 3, it consists of a long uh, stem part of the plant, that is known as stem. Yes, write down here STEM, stem. Most of the students do mistake in spelling of stem. They always write STEAM, that is steam. Steam means when water change into water vapor, then it is known as steam. Here it is the part of the plant that is known as stem, STEM, stem. And so you have to write down the function of the stem. Stem helps in keeping the plant straight. Very good. And other function of the stem is stem absorbs water from the root and transfer to all parts of the plant. Yes, now keep finger on the part number 4, and that is, what is here shoes? It is flower. Yes, then write down here flower. Flower function, very important function because it is the attractive part of the plant. It helps in reproduction. Very good. And then write down on the 5th, keep your finger. Very good, very good. Be fast. Keep your finger on the 5th part, that is non-green part of the plant that remains under the ground. It is stem. Can you tell me the function of stem? Yes, roots. It is root, underground part of the plant that is non-green in color. It is root. What is the function of root? Root absorbs water from the soil and pass to all other parts of the plant. And other function, stem roots hold the plant straight, fix the plant into the soil. Understand? You know very well all these parts of the plant. Now you have to go into the kitchen garden. You all are having kitchen garden into your home. Then go in the kitchen garden. Be fast. Very good. Take a plant into your hand. Have you taken? And you have to prepare video and send to me. I will give you my phone number and all of you have to prepare video. In the video, you have to take a plant into your hand and you have to show me each and every part of the plant, and you have to tell that, ma'am, this is the part which remains under the ground. It is non-green in color. That it is known as root. Then you have to tell me the function of root. In the same way, then you have to show me stem and its function you have to tell to me. Then flower, fruit, leaves, all the parts you have to show to me. Okay, beta, what you have to do? You have to prepare a video of 2 minutes. You have to prepare and you have to take plant into your hand from the kitchen garden, and then you have to show me all the main parts of the plant. Very good, very good. You know, a large variety of plants are there into your kitchen garden. You can take any plant from your kitchen garden, and plants make their food by the process of photosynthesis. This also you can explain ki leaves are there. Leaves make food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. Already you have studied this photosynthesis in the 5th class. Whatever you know about this plant, you have to speak all that in that video. Okay? Okay, very good. So now we will study about the plants around us. Yes, beta, as you are standing in the kitchen garden, then what you have to do? First, yes, you are in a kitchen garden and you have to now observe the plant of, in your kitchen garden tulsi is there. Yes, then observe tulsi plant, then observe rose plant, then observe banyan tree. You can see any tree. If neem tree is there into your house, you can observe neem tree also. Any other tree if they are into your kitchen garden, then you can observe carefully. You have to observe tulsi, rose and banyan tree, neem tree, apple tree, any tree. Now beta, you have to tell to me about their size. What is the difference between the size of all 3 plants? Tulsi plant, then rose plant, then banyan tree. What is the difference about their size? You have to note down, observe carefully about the size. Then second thing what you have to observe, you have to observe their stem. As you have told me, you have shown me in the video stem part of the plant. Then you have to now observe carefully the part of the plant stem of tulsi, rose and banyan tree. And then you have to tell to me whether it is green, whether it is soft, whether it is hard, whether it is thick or wooden, what kind of stem it is. Okay, you have to observe. Third thing what you have to observe, you have to observe the number of branches and whether branches are seen close to the ground or at a height. The branches whether are seen close to the ground or at a height. You have to observe it very much carefully. So what you have to observe? You have to go into your kitchen garden. You have to observe the plants carefully of tulsi, rose and banyan. Then you can have to note down their stem, whether it is soft, whether it is hard, whether it is thick wooden stem. Then you have to observe the number of branches, whether branching is seen close to the ground or at a height. Then on this basis we will study about the different kinds of plants. What do you call the different kinds of the plants? There are, based on the size and types of the stem, plants can be grouped into trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers, and climbers. Up to this, you have to study, you have to observe each and every plant which I have told you. You have to prepare video of 2 minutes, then you have to send to me. In the video, you have to stand in the kitchen garden, then you have to take plant into your hand, then you have to show me the parts of the plant. And second thing, what you have to do, you have to show me whether the stem is soft, hard, thick. What kind of stem is having of all these plants of tulsi, rose, and any tree. Okay, then in the next video we will study about the kinds of plants on the basis of size and type of stem. On the size and type of stem, plants can be grouped into trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers, and climbers. And tomorrow we will study about in detail about trees, climbers, shrubs, creepers, and herbs. Okay, beta, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.